Do you know anyone who can become rich without working? In this video, you'll see 8 assets that people use to become rich. So stop anything that'll distract you and watch this video till the end. The 7th asset is my favorite, as it helped me quickly make a lot of money. Before we go into the assets, you must know that the knowledge we'll share comes mostly from renowned investor and financial expert Robert Kiyosaki, the writer of the best-selling book Rich Dad, Poor Dad. Without further delay, let's get into it. Number 1. Real estate. One of the most well-known assets that Kiyosaki emphasizes is real estate. He once said, "Real estate investing, even on a tiny scale, remains a tried-and-true means of building an individual's cash flow and wealth." Investing in real estate can provide passive income through rental properties or appreciation over time. Kiyosaki also said, "The key to building wealth is to learn how to make money while you sleep." With real estate, this becomes a possibility. Rental properties can provide consistent rental income, often exceeding mortgage costs, property taxes, and maintenance. This positive cash flow allows investors to accumulate wealth over time and achieve financial independence. One of the most remarkable aspects of real estate investing is the effective use of leverage. He emphasizes, the more real estate you own, the more passive income you build. Just remember to use your assets to acquire income-generating assets. Those who leverage debt wisely can amplify their returns and accelerate wealth creation. If you're enjoying this video, remember to like and subscribe to the channel. If you've done that, let's get back to it. Number 2. Cash-paying assets. Cash-paying assets are investments that generate regular income in the form of cash flow. Unlike liabilities that drain your resources, these assets put money in your pocket. The renowned investor once said, "The rich focus on acquiring cash-flowing assets, while everyone else focuses on accumulating liabilities disguised as assets." According to Kiyosaki, the wealthy prioritize investing in cash-paying assets. They understand that true wealth comes from assets that generate consistent cash flow rather than acquiring liabilities that may seem like assets but don't contribute to financial independence. A good example of this type of asset is dividend-paying stocks. Dividend stocks are a great way to build wealth over time. They provide regular cash flow without requiring active involvement. So, investing in dividend-paying companies will help you receive a portion of the company's profits as regular payments. Therefore, cash-paying assets provide a hedge against inflation and harsh economic outcomes by giving a consistent sum of money. Number 3. Intellectual property. Intellectual property refers to creations of the mind, such as inventions, artistic works, designs, or brand names that can be legally protected. These intangible assets have immense value and can be monetized in various ways. This type of investment is an often overlooked asset. Kiyosaki highlights its significance. The richest people in the world look for and build networks. Everyone else looks for work. Developing and protecting intellectual property, such as patents, copyrights, and trademarks, can generate substantial wealth. For instance, one form of intellectual property is patents. If you have a groundbreaking invention or a unique idea, securing a patent can grant you exclusive rights to produce and sell your creation. This step allows you to generate substantial wealth through licensing fees or product manufacturing. It's best to learn and study to expand our knowledge and expertise continuously. Nonetheless, you can purchase intellectual property from investors, such as patent law or creative design, and build wealth through these relatively unknown assets. Number 4. Commodities. The path to financial prosperity can be paved with unexpected opportunities. One such avenue lies in the world of commodities. Robert Kiyosaki famously said, "It's not how much money you make, but how much money you keep, how hard it works for you, and how many generations you keep it for." Common examples of commodities include crude oil, silver, gold, and precious metals. He suggests that commodities, unlike traditional investments, have inherent value and can shield against economic downturns. Before truly benefiting from commodities, you must understand supply and demand dynamics, which are crucial. Identifying trending commodities and predicting future demand can lead to substantial financial gains. Effective network building, whether through industry connections, research, or collaboration, helps identify opportunities before they go mainstream. Number 5. Cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrencies are digital or virtual currencies that use cryptography for secure transactions. They are decentralized, meaning they operate on blockchain technology, which removes banks. These digital or virtual currencies represent a major technological innovation that has disrupted traditional financial systems. Understanding and embracing these innovations can position individuals for financial success. Robert Kiyosaki once said, "The more you learn, the more you earn." This quote emphasizes the critical role of financial education. To navigate the world of cryptocurrency, one must invest in understanding the technology behind it, the market dynamics, and the best investment strategies. However, patience is crucial when investing in cryptocurrencies. The market can be volatile, with prices fluctuating significantly in short periods. It's essential to have a long-term vision, holding assets with strong fundamentals and growth potential. Before going further, remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel to help us bring you more interesting content. Number 6. Paper assets. In the words of Kiyosaki himself, paper assets are like knives. When used properly, they can be very useful, but when used improperly, they can be very dangerous. Paper assets include stocks, bonds, mutual funds, exchange-traded funds or ETFs, and other financial instruments based on contracts or ownership rights. These assets derive value from the underlying company's assets or agreements. One of the great ways to build wealth through paper assets is by investing in stocks and bonds. Therefore, buying company shares will make you a partial owner, allowing you to participate in the growth and profits of the business. Bonds, another paper asset, can be valuable to your portfolio. When you invest in bonds, you lend money to governments or corporations in exchange for regular interest payments and the return of the principal amount at maturity. Bonds offer stability and a steady income, making them an attractive option for long-term investors. Ultimately, paper assets are a worthy investment for anyone. However, you must do your due diligence before investing in paper assets. Number 7. Your mindset. Before we explore Kiyosaki's quotes, let's establish the importance of mindset in achieving wealth. Our mindset, or how we think, shapes our actions, decisions, and ultimately our financial outcomes. He said, "The single most powerful asset we all have is our mind. If it's trained well, it can create enormous wealth." In his book, Rich Dad, Poor Dad, Kiyosaki stresses the importance of continuous learning and taking calculated risks. He famously said, "The more you learn, the more you earn." This quote emphasizes that expanding your knowledge and taking calculated risks can lead to more significant opportunities for financial growth. In addition, Robert Kiyosaki often speaks about the need to overcome fear and failure on the path to wealth. He suggests that failure is essential to the learning process, stating, "Don't be afraid of losing, be afraid of not learning from losing." This quote encourages us to embrace failure as a valuable teacher and motivates us to learn from our mistakes. Remember, as Kiyosaki reminds us, the size of your success is measured by the strength of your desire, the size of your dream, and how you handle disappointment along the way. So, dream big, embrace the right mindset, and let your journey to financial success begin. Number 8. Business. Kiyosaki stresses the importance of entrepreneurship and building your own business. He says, "The richest people in the world look for and build networks. Everyone else looks for work." According to him, starting a successful business can provide financial freedom and the opportunity to create jobs and make a positive impact. As Kiyosaki advises, don't be addicted to money. Work to learn. Don't work for money, work for knowledge. So, you can leverage the knowledge provided in this video to build wealth within a short time. This concludes our discussion on the 8 assets that can make you rich. Remember, these assets require careful consideration, education, and due diligence. Like and subscribe to the channel for more updates. Also, hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on our latest updates. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the following video.